Hey, welcome to Riverflow. I'm Oscar, one of the co-founders here. While your first photo shoot is generating, I wanted to give you a quick look at the photo shoots part of the product and how to get the most from it. In Riverflow, you create a photo shoot by mixing together 4 ingredients: a scene, your product, a style, and a prompt. Your scene sets the composition of the image, how the props appear, how the human interaction appears, and the overall framing. We have a large library of AI-generated scenes that you can pick from, or you can create your own. And these can be anything from a creative studio, to a product in hand, to a lifestyle with people. For this demo, I'm going to use this scene. Your product is the product that you're photographing. This should have been pulled through from your Shopify store or your TikTok shop, or manually during your onboarding. A style sets the lighting, coloring, and rendering effects of the image. These can be used across scenes to create multiple outputs that look like they've been shot on the same day with the same lighting setup. You can either create a style yourself by uploading a mood board or a reference image, or you can pick from our public library of styles. For this demo, I'm going to pick this style. Finally, we have the prompt, which is to provide extra direction. So in this case, with my scene up here, I might write something like, show me a woman's hand holding the perfume bottle in the scene. And I'm going to go ahead and generate 4 options. Okay, the images are ready now. And as you can see, when those 4 ingredients work together, you're not just starting from a blank prompt box. Your product locks in the packaging, your scene sets the composition, your style trains the AI on your brand's look, and your prompt just gives the final direction. Behind the scenes, Riverflow turns all of that into a detailed generation plan. Our system improves the prompt, uses the most powerful image models available, and checks the output afterwards to make sure it looks realistic and your product is still correct. That's why these results feel more like usable product photography and less like a generic AI image. Once your images are ready, start with the one you like the most, and I recommend using the Generate Angles function, which can turn one strong image into a fuller shoot with multiple new variations from the same idea, making it look like you've done a shoot on the same day with the same product, the same lighting, and the same environment. But that's it for now. Your first photo shoot should be waiting for you in the dashboard, so go ahead and check out those images. And if you'd like any help, there's a link on the screen to book a demo call with us. We really hope you enjoy using Riverflow.